Namaste and good morning friends. Today is a very bright day and a good weather also, and I hope you all are enjoying the drizzling and the raining in Indore city since 2 days, and weather is turning awesome. But yes, there are so much climate changes in all over the world out there, and it is the result of what we. So, hope you remember what we were up to. We are reading the Book of Secrets, where it is a conversation between Shiva and Parvati. And good morning, Rajkumar ji. So, this conversation has led to the sharing of a number of meditation techniques which Shiva is sharing with Sati or Devi, and that is how she comes to know how to connect with one's own center. And we are at the sound techniques. I'm taking chantings these days. We have done Om chanting, we have done Hari Om chanting, and now we are going to do the next chanting today. So these chantings or these mantras are not mentioned in the book. These are the mantras which I have picked from our own religion, from Hinduism, and then I am teaching you how we can do it. Okay, so again I repeat, don't have that notion that these mantras are given in the book. These mantras are a part of our Indian culture of Hinduism which you can use, and there are mantras in every culture out there. So it is not mantras, it is hymns. We can take up any religion and you will find there are sounds made which comes out and are used to connect with inner self. So if you belong to some other religion, if you follow some other religion, you are free to use your own spiritual wordings and try to chant it. And if you are unable to do it, I am here to help it. Let me know what is the mantra you have in your religion and I'll ask you, or maybe if I know, I can guide you to teach it. And very soon I am having this online 3 days meditation together, where it will be a guided meditation, and if you would like to attend, you all can attend. You please enroll yourself on the WhatsApp number, take the details of my society account and you can enroll yourself. Okay, with the third chanting today, and it's a beautiful chanting. It's chanting of Shiva, and the mantra is Om Namah Shivaya. So did we do Om Namah Shivaya? Okay, I think we have done Om Namah Shivaya also, no? Last time we did it. Okay, I'm so sorry, I was missing this. Okay, so we'll do the next mantra. Let us do Ram today. Okay, so Ram is also a beautiful mantra, and it is a Vishnu mantra. And if you are going to check in our old epics, Ram is one of the words which produces Haim, a sound which gives cure to any disease. It makes you healthy, and it is said that if you keep repeating the name of Ram, all your worries get waiver off. So again, please remember, it is not the chanting or repeating of Ram, it is the essence which you enter into. When you chant Ram, you don't have to visualize a picture of a man with a dhanush or an archery on the shoulder with this hand. No, it does not mean that you have to visualize that person or any picture or any idol. It just says that chant Ram, and it is a beautiful chanting, and you will get relieved with all your diseases and you will get a wonderful cleaning of your aura. So I love this chanting, and there are many people whom I have worked with, and in this chanting many of them have given me a very positive feedback, yes, conveying that yes, this has really helped them a lot in making their mind go stop and in healing their inner self as well as healing their own bodies. So friends, let us chant Ram today. and just keep your mobile on the side and take a straight position. Sit in Padmasan or Ardha Padmasan. In whatever position your spine is erect, you can sit. And then first close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Get ready for the chant and fill your lungs with a lot of oxygen. Now this was the first stage of the chanting. We move to the second stage where we say Ram twice in a single breath. Ram, 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 Ram. So you're going to practice this, and when you can say twice, you don't have to count that it is 2 times or 3 times in a single breath. You can just let go and keep repeating Ram, hearing it properly and devoting yourself from your heart, surrendering your whole self in Ram, and make a wheel of this Ram, make a chakra of Ram chanting. So it should go out, you breathe in and it comes out. So you can repeat it n number of times in one single breath. But don't try to just repeat it. Try to hear it when you are saying Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. So you need to do it till you become breathless. Then only this Ram chanting can help you. So we don't have to do it the way I am doing it, only for a few minutes. You need to repeat doing it. Keep on doing it. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Try to increase the speed more and more. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram 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 So just this was one articulation which I told you and taught you. Now you have to do it thrice. You cannot just do it once. So just say Ram once, then try repeating it twice, and then take it into more deeper sense and keep on repeating it. And the more I do it, the more I feel juvenile, the more I feel jolly, and the more I feel happy and alive and healthy. So it empties your heart chakra. It leads you to feel to feel or witness the emptiness, the hollowness which is inside you. And this is very important to connect with your self, your own self, because we are all hollow. We are not something. Science says we are made up of matter, but we are hollow, and experience can be gained through this Rama chanting. And try repeating this in 3 steps. Do it in 3 steps, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, and you are going to feel the bliss. And I hope you can feel it on my face. It's so much to me, and it gives me an extra energy and extra life when I keep this. So it was great being with you all today. I don't know how much it is helping you all, but if it is really helping, if it does really help, just get in touch with me, and I would like to know how much it has helped you. And doing it one day is not going to. You need to surrender also, and do the sadhana at least for 3 days. Then it is, I'm sure, going to help you. Namaste. It was nice being with you all here. Take care.